Autos, they are that one key segment which are going to be in focus. So you've got the sales numbers released yesterday for Maruti, which saw an uptick of about 10%. Eicher Motors with an uptick of 17% in the December sales. TVS Motors, which continues to power ahead at 39% appreciation in the December sales, is what the stock has seen, or rather the company has seen. Let's see what the stock price reaction is. And then M&M, which has managed to gain ground by about almost 8%. So these are a couple of stocks from within the auto pack which are going to be in focus. Infosys as well, as you've got Salil Parekh taking over the reins as the MD and CEO formally at the company today. So that's going to be an important one. What he highlights and plans to do as a 2018 vision statement for Infosys, that's something that the street, I guess, is going to keep a close hawk-eye on. Idea, they're looking to consider fundraising on Jan 4th, so that's another important stock which is in focus. And you've got SRF as well, wherein chloromethane's plant in Dahej has been commissioned. So SRF as well is another important stock to look out for. Aside of that, Coal India, wherein the December shipments have risen nearly about 4% to about 53.4 million tons.
Well, Coal India output has not been great, let's be very clear there, and they continue to really disappoint. And if the Coal India output is not strong, I just wonder, is this a telltale sign of what is happening to the energy demand in the country, what is going on with the electricity consumption and other patterns? We've managed to regain pretty much 50% of what we lost yesterday. Now this is happening despite the fact that SGX was telling you a completely different kind of a story. The market breadth also has stabilized. So the point I'm trying to make here is that just like in a bull market, one day of intense selling does not really change the overall direction, and the overall direction of this market is not looking all that bad. I mean, if there was nervousness in the market based on yesterday's price action, then you wouldn't have this kind of a strong market breadth where you had 1,000 stocks which are up and only 200 stocks which had gone down. I quickly want to point out the Bank Nifty, because the Bank Nifty in a sense has been an underperformer. And is the Bank Nifty now really doing anything? Well, the answer to that is no. So the Bank Nifty is this sore point. Eicher Motors, I mean, maintaining this point that Eicher Motor now runs the risk of going through a serious time correction. And time correction and price correction has started in Eicher Motor. It's not a stock which is going to cave in. The company is still growing. But is the best of the growth and is the best of the P expansion now behind Eicher? And that's where I think you need to really ask yourself this very basic question. Eicher Motor has been this real halo bull market stock, but in the short term, I guess the stock is expensive and pure mean reversion has not kicked in.